Not mention if there's anything that the government has to improve in terms of disaster
Wala
response.
naman. Ang nangyari kagabi, nireport lang kung ano yung mga nangyari, yung mga nakaraan.
Anyway, sir, was the writ of kalikasan issued by the SC mentioned to the President?
Wala. Hindi namin napag-usapan yung rate.
Next, sir, when will Canada start shipping out its garbage?
Oh, they were given, the President gave May 15 as the deadline. If they cannot get that, then we will be shipping them out and throw them to the shores or beach of Canada.
When is the deadline again, sir?
15, May 15.
May 15. Did the DFA...
But from what I gather, kukunin daw nila. Kasi may nag-report doon.
Did the DFA, sir, provide any reasons why it took years for Canada to make such a move?
Wala naman sinabi si Secretary Luxingcamo.
So, sir, did the AFP report on any threats to the conduct of elections?
None that
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know of.